No, 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 no. We are here, all here only. Yeah, yeah. No, what I was saying, municipality, where is he? Sir, एक काम करा. No. On your photo, this no. You just take this picture. Huh? Okay. No parking area.
पार्किंग प्लेस आहे पार्क घ्या फुटपाथ पार्क करत ना चालू असा
सर कितल्या फायन दिता सर?
हां
फुटपाथ कितल्या फायन?
त्याला मेसेज येतले त्याला
हां अजून ते घालूंक ना डायरेक्ट काय
गाडी लायला म्हणून नो पार्किंग लायलेले
ना फुटपाथीक लायल्या म्हणून दिसता.
फुटपाथीक लायला म्हणून पार्किंग खबर ना काय ते ना फोन किती फाईन मारले तुका आता? नाही त्याला काय दिले ना किती सांगलं मेसेज येतले चॅनलची हां किती सांगत होता तुका आता फाईन मारल्या त्याचे काय ना एक तुझ्याकडून मेसेज की नाही दुसरा काय ना असं मला फाईन होते रॉंग माझीच मिस्टेक आहे दुसऱ्याने किती काय नाही थँक्यू
कोण पळयता आणि काय ना इन्स्पेक्टर बी काय ना आता तुम्ही आता नो पार्किंग बोर्ड घातला न्हू मग कितें एक्शन घेता तुम्ही? पळय मरे आता आमी आता आरटीओ काडल्या आता ते बुकींग करता हे फुटपाथ मरे हेजेर पार्किंग करपा आता
आम्ही सर लाईन चेकिंग स्टाफ
लायन चेकिंग
त्यानंतर
ठीक आहे तुम्ही लायन चेकिंग
आम्ही हांगा आता बशी चेक करपा पॅसेंजरा लायटींग
हे तिकेटाचे तुम्ही तिकाय
हय तिकेट
पूण हे आता कोण करतलो?
हे ते स्टँड इंचार्ज आहा तेकाच खबर आसता कोण पळयता
स्टँड इंचार्ज
हय
बरें विचारया मरे स्टँड इंचार्जाक. We have focused our attention here at MAPSA. So, as you know, the 8th United Nations Global Road Safety Week is held every alternate year. So, in 2023, the focus was dropping the speed limit to 30 kilometers per hour at market area, junction, so that there is no crash on the people who are walking, crossing the road there. This year, the United Nations theme focus is make walking and cycling safe. So the pedestrians have to be safe. So the footpath, pavement for the pedestrian should be clear from any encroachment. Vehicles should not be parked on the pavement. So with this focus, we are the drive started on Monday, and it is going on in both districts. So today we are at MAPSA. One group is at Vasco today, and the focus will be to see that no parking by two-wheelers, four-wheelers is done on the footpath. We want to also create awareness for the public. आता आमचे लोक कितें आसा क्रिटिसायज करता पण कंप्लेन करना. सो आमी कितें म्हणटा आमी उलो मारता प्लीज कंप्लेन टू द म्हापसा म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील, टू द डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट, टू ट्रॅफिक पुलीस that in so and so place I cannot walk, I am a senior citizen, I am person with disability, म्हाका चलपाक जायना कितें every day some parking is going on, or somebody is putting his shop there and putting some extension of the shop and blocking. So I have to come on the road. And roadar जर येता, there will be accidents. So we will also see today in the group here, we are going to have a director of transport, traffic police, district police, accordingly, representation from Mamledar. So whatever findings we are going to see today, we will be handing it over. And we have also asked Mapsa Municipal Council also to be present here, because we want to see whether some of these pavement marking has been done very clearly, especially in front of buildings. आता काही बिल्डिंगा मुखार थोडे कितें म्हणटात तेच पणजे आमी पळयला थोडे बँक म्हणाले ही आमची प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी, which is not correct. The footpath is not a private property, it is for the public. So there is some grey area misunderstanding. So we will be taking note of that, and final report of the full week will be submitting to district collector for taking further action in the with the respective departments. As you know, yeah.
सर आता थोड्यो बिल्डिंगी आहात.
Yes.
थंय स्वता शोरूम आहात.
Yes, yes, yes.
आनी तो भायर तो जागो सोडलो आसा न्हू, तो
हय.
कोठडी दवरले आनी ते
Yes.
काम तो जागो.
Yeah. So what?
कोण एक्शन घेनात.
एक्झॅक्टली. सो ह्या विकाचो एक्टिविटी करून एक लेवलाचेर पब्लिकाचें अवेरनस जातलें. दुसरें डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवलाचेर आमी जेन्ना रिपोर्ट दिता, कलेक्टर विल बी रायटिंग टू DCP that go so and so building, this information has come, you please go and conduct the inquiry on that. So it is a two-way program. One is awareness, and also chalaning will be done today. So many people who do not know that chalaning can be done about this issue. In Panjim, I think nearly 4 machines were used, maybe over 100 chalaning was done. Yeah.
So the topic is about the pedestrian. Okay.
Pedestrian and cyclists.
Okay. The concerned authority and the Mapsa municipality knows everything की खंय encroachment जाता, खंय busy road आसा, खंय footpath with the migrants bosses आसा. Why they are waiting only for complaint? Why they are not taking action?
Yeah. So what you have said is right. But we, as a consumer organization, see, we have to create a confidence, first of all, in the right of the consumer. See, if no action is taken by any authority, it comes under Deficiencies Service of under Consumer Protection Act 2019. If you see, tomorrow is 15. In Junta House, you can, if you visit there, cases are going on. People from in and around Mapsa have filed, from Salsette they have filed. So, जी authority, as knowledge asun pasun जर action घेना, the process will taken there, and they are then directed to take the action. See, suo moto action should be taken. There is no doubt about it. But this is happening in all cases. So our drive here is to reduce the number of fatal accidents and severe injuries. So in fact, tomorrow is International Day of Families. So tomorrow our focus will be very specifically to see the misery that has been caused to many families who have lost either one or two persons through death, or they are suffering from brain damage, or they have got permanent disability. मुझे एक हाथ गेलो or पाँव गेलो. All these things, see, nobody talks about it. So we will be highlighting this tomorrow through Social Welfare Department, Women and Child Department, what action should be taken, what steps government should take as far as this is concerned.
So from tomorrow, आता ज्या जाग्याचेर रस्तो चलपाची वाट आसा त्या जाग्याचेर जेन्ना कंजेशन जाता.
Yeah. Now I'll give you a simple example. In Madgaon, it was done on Monday. It was done in Panjim. Now some people, those mannequins असता, परत ते mannequin घातल्या थंय. Correct? So we have taken note of it, and if he has again, after telling him he has put it again, then issue notice will be, and as far as his trade license is concerned, that process will start. Patrick, he wants to go this side.
संजय मासा हेडो.
That is off the pavement. That parking is off the pavement. On the pavement, there is no parking.
No, they are going to the building.
Yes,
They're crossing.
that side.
Yeah. He's director. He's Mapsa Municipality.
Come.
going the recommendation.
सगळ्याच्या ना
हे फुटपाथ पळय किनारा ती
Where's the pavement here? There's no pavement here.
No, so these are all the things you have to not know.
Recommendation. Yeah. So here see. Gujarat was it.
He crossed the drive.
Yeah, so you know this. He has to go. The same thing of Gujarat was it.
No.
Now as part of this, send a reminder.
Yeah, sure.
Because it has to be extended completely. Keep doing what you
Chal.
What happens here? Huh? No, but can I park here? I want to go to the shop, no? So that's the point.
That is his parking area.
His parking area. So to come here, he will knock me, no?
No, but Angotho Shagana, he cannot go like this.
How he has come then? No, how he can come here? There is no ramp.
From that side on the inside, he can come. Somewhere there.
Where is it? No, where is he? How is he going to reach here? That's the point. No?
The ramp is after a while. We'll check.
So we have just this thing, you just note it. So that's going to do something. Authorization to put this board. You take one photograph.
I'll take off that photograph. I'll check with the plans approved by them.
Because to come up here, you have to have access, no? So we will.
And then can drive from the inside.
What you can do is just put a line, paint the line. What happens to avoid any controversy? Just take a photograph, so what happens? See, we'll look at it there, no point. He झाडा आता पळय.
सर माय क्वेश्चन वॉज दॅट ओनली ज्यांना तुम्ही दाखवता वो कंप्लेन करता त्यांनाच हे दिसतं.
No, the purpose of this activity is to record. Why he has not done, that is a different issue.
Do you think the concern authority and Mapsa municipality they are closing the eyes by looking also?
No, there has to be like we have beat police. They have to demarcate a beat person. Now we don't know whether that system is being followed. Ward जसे पोलिसाचे beat police असा न्हू. I am not sure whether municipality has that system. that person will go around and see what is happening in that area.
तर ते फुडें जी झाडां वाडल्या न्हू ते
हय, हय.
फुटपाथ ती चलोंक मेळना लास्ट
वय वय आणि
ते तुमी धाडले फोटो पळय
वय वय हांवें तुका धाडले ते फोटो
ते पळय थंय म्युन्सिपालिटी लक्ष दिना
कन्झ्युमर रायट्साचो प्रोग्राम
हय.
आयिल्लो न्हू
हय.
ते दिसा आय कुड नॉट वॉक दे सी इट हॅज ग्रोन
ओके फुटपाथूच भरलेले आहा ती
सो विल जस्ट प्रोसीड नाव सी हे सगळे न्हू यू कॅन जस्ट कीप ऑन क्लिअरिंग वॉट एवर इज ऑन द वे क्लिअर कम्प्लिटली द फुल लाईन we will issue one small press so what I wanted to ask you see now these lines for example this is one parking area now this is also parking area
Yeah.
how many
No, see, this is the one.
no this is one lane
This one.
this is second lane
Now there is a one lane. But they are not tender.
no I'm not on tender what I'm only asking how up to how much will be the parking this is correct
From here it will be another that car will come.
yeah now tell me one thing where is this one Cedric can I put this thing here in the parking lot
What?
rent a bike
No.
then
Maybe should Chalan. Now
no so today let us do it no few
No, there won't be time.
see yeah see I have to no few at least
No.
Because otherwise we'll not
No, you do nobody.
no what I'm
Come
saying
for
now
that
here
separate drive.
now what will be this is not a parking area
Yeah, we should for do that. Not
what I'm saying.
हे पळय हेंकाय धाडला न्हू जाय
No. Question is only what. So he records it for municipality purpose.
Yeah.
That these are the things that are the reality and.
Yeah, we should. I'm going to come back and issue. And then we are going to put the license for suspension if they are going on repeating. So I have to check on whether they are repeating or not.
रिवर्स में चलो रिवर्स में
See, this-
काम तो बिझी हा आता जावचें ना
What I'm saying.
मागीर सांजचो पळयता वय वय सांजचो पळयता नाल्यार
This
फाल्यां
is the line. These are all in violation. So what I'm saying, if you all put out a letter, no, let it go to municipality.
Fine.
Huh? To sort this out. Let the line be there. If the line is there and anybody who has crossed the line, yeah, so we can at least by 1st of June, some process can come. Problem कितें आहा न्हू शिस्त ना जाल्यार ते it will just carry on. See, and all these parking slots. So here, let us look at this.
हे पळय
What I'm saying, you put one person to go around. I'm not saying every day, but every alternate day or whatever. No? So this kind of thing, you see, he'll have a number plate or whatever. Let it go. See, we have taken up CCP's meeting is no CCP's meeting. We are fixed on 16 morning. All people who are abandoning their vehicle in a pay parking area, okay, or in a parking area. These are parking slots. No? You cannot just dump it like this.
सर आनी ह्या व्हडल्यान खूब तशा स्क्रॅपाच्यो
ना ना कितें आसा पळय
हय.
आमी जो ड्रायव्ह पणजे घेतला न्हू 16 तारखेक आतां मिटींग दवरल्या परवां
हय
ऑल एजन्सीज हॅव बीन कॉल्ड सो दे आर गोइंग टू रिमूव टेंडर फॉर पे पार्किंग सो हो विशय म्हापशां येतलो जो पे पार्किंग घेता न्हू टेंडर ही हॅज टू मेंटेन द सी इफ वन व्हेकल इज केप फॉर 1 वीक दॅट स्लॉट इज ब्लॉक न्हू
हे सर अजून पे पार्किंग स्टार्ट जालो
तुम्ही कितले अबॅन्डन्ड गाडयो पळयल्यो
करा न्हू वील हॅव टू आयडेंटिफाय सी वॉट हॅपन हाव यू if a vehicle is kept more than 24 hours in that particular spot continuously, then we send a number to them for verification. So that we have done in KTC bus stand Penjim. Okay, and now once this will be declared, once this will be declared as a pay parking area, and a contractor will be given, that same thing will apply to him in the terms and conditions. Quality, and then put it before collector. Still they are driving. Yeah. See, this part has to be uniform. Either we go for this type of barricading.
No, this we have already estimated them down.
So what type it will be like this?
That will be now we have made of steel.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That we will be
Okay. No, why I'm saying no. See, this type of thing little dangerous.
Correct.
Right.
We have
So
changing.
no, once you have it,
It will be
ना
बरे दिसतले
ना आणि कितें आसा एक पब्लीक नोटीस घालपाचें that this is going to be the nobody should
सर तुमकां एक क्वेश्चन आतां जो ड्रायव्ह चालू आसा सध्या सर हो आतां ड्रायव्ह सध्या चालू
ना
आसा
मातशें
पूण म्हाका टॅक्सी स्टँडा वयल्यान आतां हो जे पार्किंग आहा एक्झॅक्ट पार्किंग कोणाची आनी कोणें पार्क करूंक जाय ह्यो गाडयो कोणाचें पार्किंग आहे टॅक्सी स्टँडा वयलें पूण समस्या ब्रीफ करा न्हू
आमी आतां कदंबा बस स्टँडार परते पावलेले आहा हो दिसता तुमकां आतां जो फुडलो फेमस सोरो पिवन पडपी हांगासर सगळे वेबदे आतां पळय ज्या दिसाच्यान ते आमी व्हिडियो केल्लो त्या दिसाच्यान आतां सगळे हांगासर बंद जालेले आहा दिसनात कोणूच ते नाल्यार हे टायमार सुद्दां हांगा पडलेले आसतले हे आमचें म्हायती घर तेजे सायडीकूच पळय कशें गार्बेज पडलेली आहा ती हे गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया पळय हेजे हांगासर पळय परिस्थिती कितें जाल्या ती
we had identified all this. So what I am saying now, very important, maybe after 1 week, whatever, all this type of thing. Now, maintenance, see, we will make a thing with Kadamba. No, what I am saying, we will draw demarcation. What is theirs and what is yours? And then based on that, let us do the cleaning process. Where various agencies are supposed to act. Now it is very clear. For example, you take the bus stand. It is an area which is partly municipality, partly Kadamba. We went on the opposite side where the Braganza complex is there. There you can see it is a municipality, but also the question, it comes under TCP. So what we are going to do is whatever our findings today, including the proposed pay parking area at the taxi stand, we will identify all these issues, put it up for the monthly meeting which will happen now in the month of May, and we will ask collector to issue a fresh notification to all the agencies to submit their replies. See, what is the problem here? As first of all, even in this bus stand, the demarcation and exact areas, even you all have very well highlighted the drinking issue and all that. You can see the demarcation is not there. There is no boundary wall, nor there is marking. Even here you can see, though in our last thing only one no parking is there, there all it is computer printout. So this cannot happen. Secondly, that authority has to sign below that. When I say no parking, if it is KTC, he has to put the authority who is putting that no parking sign. So one of the problems here is that public also should be very clear where I can park, where I cannot park. Secondly, we have seen today now the entry points to this from the market into the bus stand. All those small passages are there. First of all, of course, it is uneven, that we have taken note. But lot of these on-the-spot vendors are coming, putting belts, putting watches, all sorts of things. Now, we will also recommend that there has to be a specific municipal inspector notified for this area, and he will be responsible. So that process we will get done through collector's office. Secondly, whether he has paid any support to anyone, let him produce the receipt. So point here is that many of these things, there is no SOP. So we will recommend to at the meeting chaired by collector that these are the proposals, and in the next inspection that will happen, we will include electricity department, we will include PWD, and we will include KTC. Because what happens here on the spot today, there are many things that Director of Transport and Traffic Police officials have no jurisdiction to take action. But the concerned agencies like TCP, DMA, our electricity department and PWD, they have jurisdiction. So definitely this will be taken up from us. That I would like to assure. Yes. See, today we had asked for minimum participation. That is Director of Transport, Traffic Police, District Police, Mamledar's office and municipality. Okay. So letters have gone to them. So they, whatever the findings we will be submitting to them, it will be considered the findings of all the agencies who are supposed to be present today. That's how we will do it, with photographic documentation. Yeah?
सायच्या ड्रायव्हरबद्दल
Yeah, so today basically was a drive in honor of the 8th UN Road Safety Week. which gives importance to safety of pedestrians and cyclists. Monday we did a drive in Panjim. Today we are doing a drive in Mapsa, along with other departments like Goacan, Traffic Police, Mapsa Municipality. So we have gone around the bus stop and identified a few points wherein pedestrians are getting affected. A few challans have been issued for people who have parked on pavements. Then we have gone to the back. We have also noticed a lot of renter bikes and parked in the municipality area, which again is illegal. But we found so many of them. So today we have not issued any challenge, but we are going to do a special drive. We have done this in the past. We have issued a special drive. They have removed their vehicles. They appear to have come back again. So this time we are going to keep a date and we are going to have a special drive only for these renter bikes for having parked in the city and not at their place of business. And we'll take further necessary action as per the law. So today the basic drive was just to make awareness of pedestrian safety.
सर
सर RTAचे ऑफिसूच आसा ऑफिसाच्या समोरूच जो नो पार्किंग एरिया आसा थंय गाडयो पार्क करता आयज जी मोहीम आसा म्हणून तांकां चलन दिलें तातूंत ताजेर कारवाई पूण सदींच हो प्रकार घडलेलो आसा एक जालो दुसरी गोश्ट RTAच्या तोंडा फुडें इन एंट्रन्स आतां बाकीचे कडेन तुमी सगळे कडेन गेले तशें एंट्रन्सान जे कोण काही दलाल बसलेले आसा एक फॉर्म म्हणटा तसो भरपाक 200 रुपया 300 रुपया हेंचेर कारवाई कित्याक जायना हो पयसो खंय वयता कोण घेता
Start with how I am from enforcement. I am not from MAPSA. I am posted enforcement. Not my duty is to check traffic and violation of traffic operators, two-wheelers and four-wheelers violating traffic laws. I am not into that. We'll have to clarify with the respective authority. But आमची drive is फक्त two-wheeler and four-wheelers. But block we करता थंयसर आमी regular issue करता आमी चलान. आमचे बंद जायना. But regularly you get new people coming and disobeying the law. So as and when we find them, we issue them challan.
सर एक रिक्वेस्ट आसा तुमकां ह्यो ज्यो बसी आहा न्हू तेंचे जे हॉर्न आहात एअर हॉर्न ते खूब त्रास करता लोकांक सर तेजेर मातशें कितें तुमी एक्शन घेवपाची
Yeah. There is a law which they are not allowed to put air horns, and we have been challaning. Like special drive करता just to check who all have put air horns, and we will issue challans.
आनी दुसरें सर आतां ज्यो चडश्यो कदंबा बशी आमी पळयता न्हू काळो तो धुंवर आहा तो न्हू धुंवर तेंचो चड येता कदंबाचो चड सर चडावक बी म्हणजे पॉल्युशन जाता सर
सगळे check करून आमी letter करता कदंबाक
हय.
to verify and make
तशेंच-
sure that the vehicles are non polluting.
थँक्यू सर